Hi, in today's video we are going to look at how to do domain authentication. Now, if you come into Zoho Desk and go into Setup, under Channels, click on Email. In here, this is the support email address. We need to go for address. Now, if you on the left-hand side, you can see Channels, Email, and then their from address. Come into from address, and in here we are going to enter the email address that we want to verify. Now, from this from address, I'm going to do support@goldstar.it.com, and let's just name it support. So I'm naming this support, and let's save this. Now my email is saved and it says it's not verified, so I need to verify this. Once I verify this, when I click on verify, it's going to send an email to the support@goldstar.it.com, and I just need to verify it. See, verification mail sent successfully. Now I'm going to go into my email and get this verified. So you can see here that to verify from address, the from address support@goldstar.it will be verified and can be used to send ticket replies from your help desk. So I've verified this, and that's all set up. Now the next step here is the DKIM authentication, which is again on the left hand side under from address. If you click in here, it says the domain is not verified. Now, how to verify this domain? If I click on verify, it's going to ask for the TXT record values. Now, this is something that you would need to get from your website developers or from your internal website team. Once they give you the code, add that in here and then verify it, and the domain would be successfully verified. So that's all for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstar.it.com. Thanks for watching.